All right, so we need to find the perimeter of this figure, but we do have some missing sides that we need to figure out. So one of those missing sides is going to be this one right here, down here at the bottom. So we need to figure out what that missing side is. Here's what I do know. I do know that the length of this perimeter, or the length of this line, this horizontal line all the way across, is 55. And I also know that this section right here is 35. So from here to here, that's 35 yards squared. So I need to figure out what this section is, because that's going to be equal to my bottom section down here. So I'm going to subtract N55 minus 35. That's going to get me 20. So this section right here is 20 yards. I also have another missing side over here. So I've got to figure that one out. But I do know that from here, top to bottom, that's 55 yards squared. I also know that this little section right here, from here to here, that's 22 yards squared. So this part right here is 22 yards, not squared, just yards, sorry. So I need to use that information to figure out this section right here. This section right here is going to be 55 minus 22, and that is 33. So this side right here is 33 yards. So now I'm going to go ahead and add all of those together to find the perimeter. I'm going to start up at the top. I've got 55, I've got 33, I've got 35, I have 22, I have 20, and then I also have a 55 over here. And then I'm going to start adding these up together, and I like to group them. So I've got 88 here. Over here, that's going to be 57. And then down here at the bottom, I've got, it looks like 75. Oh, that stopped writing. All right, I fixed that. So 75, as I was saying. And then I'm going to add all these together. Oops, now that blocks won't go away. I had, there was 88 plus 55 plus, or 57 plus 75, so 8 plus 7 is 15, plus a 5 is 20, carry the 2. 2 plus 8 is going to be 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 7 is 220. So the perimeter of this figure is 220 yards.